Good morning, Wall Street winners. It is Monday, October 27th, and it is about 2 hours to trading, a little less than 2 hours to the start of trading. And the markets are going crazy in a positive way today based on news coming out of the US primarily on the potential for, yet again, another trade framework, another trade deal. Interesting thing about this is we've heard this talk before, and then it's never really translated into a trade deal. It's always been a framework, and then there's been the threat of tariffs, and then we've seen those tariffs get delayed for 90 days or put on hold. So we'll see what comes of all of this. At the same time, we saw the U.S. Interfered significantly in the Argentina election. So we see a country that doesn't want interference in its own elections certainly interfere in that of other nations by propping up its monetary currency, and now with the win from the president that was already in power in a midterm election, those bonds are now worth a great deal more as the value is shot up. And that has made America, according to Donald Trump, a lot of money. And it's just another example of how the U.S. gets involved in every other country's business and yet doesn't want any country getting involved in theirs. Now, that said, let's go to the markets. The markets are very strong. We're seeing green almost across the screen here, looking at our utilities and oil and gas. So this one, not as green as I would have expected. Crude at around, crude futures December 25th at around 61.33, but the tech is soaring. You've got some big moves here from NVIDIA, obviously being impacted by tariffs and sales into China. You've got Palantir up, Apple, who announces this week, is up, Reddit is up, CRM is up. Really, there aren't many that are down at this point. EA, but again, part of an M&A negotiation to go private there, so not so relevant. Broadcom is up significantly. Amazon, even Tesla, which was down Friday, and I'm not sure why it's up because it seems to be struggling, is up. Meta going into earnings up almost $11 this morning. That's phenomenal. And then you've got Google up 5 and TSM up as well. We go down to financials. Financials are looking good as well, with almost everything here in the green going into the start. Good luck in your trades today. If you like the videos, please hit the like and subscribe button.